Hello and welcome. Today's video is a special one, sincere, intimate, and respectfully educational. We're going to talk about how to properly stimulate a woman's yoni, a word that symbolizes both the physical and spiritual feminine center. This is not about performance. It's about connection, respect, pleasure, and trust. In this 8-step guide, we'll walk you through everything, from understanding her anatomy to communicating effectively, using your mouth and hands skillfully, and creating a deeply fulfilling experience for both of you. This is for adults who want to improve intimacy, deepen emotional closeness, and make their partner feel safe, adored, and seen. Let's begin. Cherry Blossom Step 1. Learn her landscape. Before you touch, you must understand. The female body, her yoni, is a symphony of sensitive zones, each deserving of care. Here's a simplified overview of the external anatomy. Clitoris, a tiny button-like structure, but only the tip is visible. It extends inside the body with legs, crura, and bulbs that wrap around the vaginal opening. Clitoral hood, a fold of skin that covers the clitoris. Many women prefer indirect stimulation here. Labia majora and minora, the outer and inner lips. Every woman's appearance is unique. Vaginal opening, located just below the urethra, it leads to the inner canal, but has fewer nerve endings than the clitoris. Perineum, the area between the vaginal opening and the anus, very sensitive for some. Understanding this allows you to explore slowly, avoiding discomfort and enhancing connection. Brain tip, don't rush. Be a student of her body. Approach with reverence and curiosity. Brain step 2, emotional trust and consent. The most arousing sensation for many women? Emotional safety. Before anything physical happens, build emotional intimacy. This includes asking, "Do you feel comfortable if I explore this part of you?" Listening to her body language, her breath, her words. Letting her know she's in control. The yoni only opens fully when she feels secure and honored. Speaking head say things like, "You're beautiful exactly as you are. Tell me what feels good. I'm here to listen." If you want to stop, we stop. Always. Brain tip. Intimacy without emotional safety becomes pressure. With trust, it becomes ecstasy. Fire step 3. Set the scene. Pleasure thrives in an environment of sensual intention. Lighting, soft, warm lighting like candles or a low lamp. Cleanliness. Make sure both your bodies are clean, fresh, and relaxed. Mood calming. Warm room temperature, clean sheets. Time. Make sure there's no rush. Intimacy is not a task. Brain touch begins before touching. A loving glance, a warm compliment, a deep breath together. These are the true initiations of pleasure. Person in bed checklist. Breath mints. Washed hands. Trimmed nails. A glass of water nearby. These small acts show respect, readiness, and care. Kiss mark step 4. Begin with everything but the yoni. 1430. Counterintuitively, the key to stimulating the yoni is to not go there first. Begin by kissing her inner thighs, her lower belly, the crease between her hip and pubic area, behind her knees or the inside of her elbow. This creates anticipation, the most powerful erotic tool. Use breath. Exhale warm air near her yoni without touching it. Hands, caress her hips, lower back, and legs. Eyes, maintain soft eye contact if she opens hers. Brain tip. Wait until she's moving her hips toward you. Let her invite you in with her body. Tongue step 5. Yoni worship. Use your mouth intelligently. 1945. When you finally arrive at her yoni, pause. Look at it. Let her feel seen. Start with broad tongue strokes over the vulva. Gentle kisses on the outer labia. Tongue circles around the clitoral hood. Then experiment. Flat tongue for wider sensation. Pointed tongue for targeted flicks. Suction and release on the clitoral hood, not direct clit at first. Important. Never go too hard or too fast on the clitoris. Watch how her body responds. Ask softly, "Is this okay? More pressure or less?" Brain remember, the goal isn't to finish her, it's to explore her. This is sacred terrain. Palms up together step 6. Integrate your hands. Your hands can be just as important as your tongue. Use them to hold her thighs or hips, give her grounding. Explore her vaginal canal with a well-lubricated finger. Find her G-spot, usually 1 to 2 inches inside, on the front wall. Use a come here motion. Rub the outer labia in rhythm with your tongue. Brain combination magic. Tongue on clitoris, finger on G-spot equals powerful duo. Sync tongue rhythm with her breath or moans. Always communicate. Does this feel good inside? Tell me what to change. Hourglass not done. Step 7. Rhythm, stillness, and surrender. As she builds toward climax, if she does, your best tools are patience and consistency. When you find what she loves, don't change it. Keep the pressure, rhythm, and position exactly the same. Let her ride the wave without distraction. Sometimes, stillness is more powerful than movement. And sometimes, she might want you to pause just before climax. Respect that. Brain key mindset. Her climax is a gift, not a goal. Her trust is the real achievement. If she doesn't climax, never make her feel bad. Her pleasure can still be complete. Hugging face. Step 8. Aftercare and emotional holding. After oral intimacy, you've entered one of her most vulnerable emotional states. Don't just roll away or act like the job is done. Instead, hold her. Stroke her hair. Kiss her forehead. Whisper something loving. Ask her, how do you feel? What was your favorite part? Do you feel relaxed and loved? Brain. This emotional holding is where trust deepens. It's also where she remembers how you made her feel. This is the final act of love. Prohibited common mistakes to avoid. Let's be real. Many people get this wrong not out of malice, but because they were never taught. Here are the top mistakes to avoid. Too rough, too soon, especially on the clitoris. Repetition without feedback. Don't just do what you saw online. Ignoring her signals. Her breath, moans, and muscles tell you everything. Being goal-focused. Her climax is not a performance metric. Poor hygiene. Fresh breath, clean hands, and trimmed nails matter. Brain golden rule. If you're unsure, slow down and ask. Glowing star. Final words. The yoni is not just a body part. It's a center of emotion, memory, trust, and power. To stimulate it properly is not about technique alone. It's about presence, respect, and love. If you want to be a true lover, learn to slow down. Listen deeply. Honor her rhythm. Thank you for watching this deeply important guide. If this resonated with you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who values sacred intimacy. Drop your respectful questions in the comments. We answer every one. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other.